Hey insulators, check out this machine behind me. This is an all aluminum machine that Cool Machines started making when they first started out. This is called the CM350. And it is dedicated really for wall spray, but you could do attic insulation as well as dense pack with this machine. We're going to go through this machine today and we're going to update it and give it brand new airlock seals, go through everything, making sure that everything is working well. We are here with Profoam. They are in Rutledge, Georgia. And this is Corey. Corey, tell us a little bit about yourself and your position here and what you guys do.
I'm with Georgia Insulation and Profoam. I handle all of our fleet maintenance and safety. This is an older machine that we had that we pulled off of a truck and was planning to get rid of it, and then decided, nah, I think we want to keep it. So we had Barry come out, take a look at it, figure out what parts we needed to do a complete refurbish of this machine. We've gone through it today, replaced all of our air seals, checked everything out. I just got a few things left as far as greasing and whatnot. Overall, pretty easy machine to work on. Yeah,
and you can tell, man, from head to toe, we are dirty. This is a big job. It's a heavier airlock than normal. This is the older machine, one of the first ones Cool Machines built, and it's still going, and it's got a lot of life in her. The airlock seals look pretty good, actually. Not too bad for how old the machine is. They obviously have been taking care of it. Thank you, Corey, for having us out here.
Thank you for coming out and helping me with it.
Yeah, you're welcome, and FaceTime me if you ever have any questions.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Thank you.